Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am Slayer and you are watching Slayer Edits. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create that rotational zoom transition in After Effects. So for this, get your clips ready like this and add adjustment layers on your clips like this, or you can do it manually. I'm using a plugin right here. Now what you wanna do is select the adjustment layer of the first clip and add an blur mode. Now at the beginning of the clip, enable rotate and Z distance keyframes. So like as you can see, here are two keyframes. So I want a zoom in transition, so I'll make it one, I'll keep it one here in the Z dist, and now I'll go to the end and I want the rotation from left to right, so I'll set it to 15 in the end like this, and I want to zoom in, so I'll put it for 2.7 like this. Now I'll select both keyframes and easy both keyframes, and I'll make it reflect here. Now select the keyframes of Z dist and copy my graph like this. Yep, this is it. Copy this graph. Now select the keyframes of rotation and also copy my graph like this. Yep, as you can see, our first clip is ready. Now we'll apply this on the second clip, but for the second clip we'll do a left side rotation of left side. So for that, add blur mode, enable rotate and Z dist, and I also want zoom in, so I do not change the value at the beginning. Go to the end. Now make it -15, -15, and it will be a zoom in effect. So I'll pick 2.7 and I'll reflect this both of wrap X and wrap Y. Now select both keyframes, easy ease, and again copy my graph. The zooming graph will be similar to the first one, and the rotation graph will be something like this. As you can see, this looks pretty much good. Oh wait, now it's good. So you can do this in zoom out also. Let me show you. Place blur mode right here and enable shift X, no, and enable Z dist and rotate like this. Now open the keyframes and put Z dist to 0.7 or the usual amount which you use for the zoom out, and go to the end and make it 1 and make it the rotation you want and put it to reflect. Now select the first two keyframes and copy the graph. And also copy this for the rotation. So yeah, you can see it looks pretty much good. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Like, follow, subscribe, share, do whatever you want if you like the content, and I'll see you in the next video.